Happy Mercedesing. In this video, I will be speaking about what I have promised to one of my subscribers, and that is how to set your mixture properly if you don't have a pin number 3 on X11, so that you can measure neither voltage nor percentage, and the mixture screw is screwed up. Somebody messed with it too much. You will have to do the initial mixture adjustment. You wait for the car to reach the operating temperature. And then the whole thing is in the sensor plate. There is a cool trick about that. And now let me show you that on the table. So let's go there, shall we? Let me show you. As you start the car, the sensor plate is going to go down a bit. Just like this, for example. And now, what you actually do, you will have to press the airflow meter with your finger and to see what happens with the car itself. If the revs increase, then that means that your mixture is too lean and you should add then fuel. So then that means that you will have to take the Allen 3 mils and to turn the screw clockwise. You turn it clockwise. What we have to achieve is that as we press the sensor plate, the engine must start shaking. And, of course, the revs must start dropping. So, again, let's see. For example, like this. And as you press with your index finger the sensor plate, then the revs must start decreasing and the car will start shaking. So that means that you have added too much fuel. And then I'll take the pencil and you'll take some kind of a screwdriver and you will, like this, just like this, you'll pull up the sensor plate. This is the simulation, for example, and you take the screwdriver and you pull up. And if then the car starts shaking, then that means that the sensor plate is there where it is supposed to be. Because if the car starts reacting the same way, when you press the sensor plate and add fuel, and as you lift up the sensor plate and you decrease air, then that means that the mixture screw is set up properly. And now the only thing which is left is to show you everything on the vehicle. So now look, this is what I've been speaking about. As I press with my index finger the sensor plate, the revs must fall down. Did you see that? Here, look. There. And now I'll take the screwdriver and look. Now I'll try to lift up the sensor plate. There. Do you see the reaction? Again. You see? Once again. And there. Then you know that the CO screw is there where it is supposed to be.